Feeling sleepy all the time can be a frustrating and concerning experience. It affects your productivity, mood, and overall quality of life. Below are 10 alarming reasons that could explain why you're constantly battling drowsiness. 1. Sleep disorders. One of the most common culprits for excessive sleepiness is sleep disorders such as sleep apnea, narcolepsy, or insomnia. Sleep apnea causes interruptions in breathing during sleep, leading to fragmented rest and daytime fatigue. Narcolepsy is characterized by sudden sleep attacks, while insomnia involves difficulty falling or staying asleep. 2. Poor sleep hygiene. Your daily habits significantly impact your sleep quality. Engaging in activities like using electronic devices before bed, consuming caffeine late in the day, or having an inconsistent sleep schedule can disrupt your circadian rhythm and lead to chronic tiredness. 3. Nutritional deficiencies. A lack of essential nutrients can also contribute to feelings of fatigue. For instance, deficiencies in iron, leading to anemia, vitamin D, or B vitamins, can result in decreased energy levels and increased sleepiness. 4. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of physical activity can lead to feelings of lethargy and tiredness. Regular exercise boosts energy levels by improving circulation and releasing endorphins, which help combat fatigue. 5. Mental health issues. Conditions such as depression and anxiety are closely linked with fatigue and excessive daytime sleepiness. These mental health issues can disrupt your sleep patterns and drain your energy levels throughout the day. 6. Chronic illnesses. Certain chronic illnesses, like diabetes, hypothyroidism, or heart disease, can cause persistent fatigue as a symptom. Managing these conditions effectively is crucial for alleviating associated tiredness. 7. Medications. Some medications have side effects that include drowsiness or fatigue. Common culprits include antihistamines, antidepressants, and certain blood pressure medications. If you suspect your medication may be affecting your energy levels, consult with a healthcare provider. 8. Stress and overwork. Chronic stress from work or personal life can lead to mental exhaustion that manifests as physical tiredness. The body's response to stress often includes increased cortisol levels, which can disrupt normal sleep patterns. 9. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration, which negatively impacts cognitive function and energy levels. Even mild dehydration can cause feelings of fatigue and lethargy. 10. Caffeine dependence. While caffeine is often used to combat tiredness temporarily, over-reliance on it can lead to disrupted sleep cycles when consumed excessively or too late in the day, ultimately resulting in increased daytime drowsiness. In conclusion, if you're feeling sleepy all the time despite getting what seems like enough rest, it's essential to evaluate these potential factors carefully. Addressing them through lifestyle changes or seeking medical advice could significantly improve your energy levels and overall well-being.